So for those of you using Bybit for cards, this is how you can check your cards. So come to your assets. So when you come to your assets, you're going to see this option. You're going to see funding and unified trading. So when you click on unified trading, you're going to see that your card is already deposited there. So you can see here, that's the card. So go and check. I discovered that a lot of people are actually checking their mini app. No. And for those of you who use Gate.io, those who are using Gate.io have seen their own card. So just come to your Gate.io, click on assets. So when you click on asset, just select spot. So then from here you will see your cart around here. You get that? So that's how to check your cart. Subscribe to this channel. We'll be teaching you how to convert your cart to cash from Gate.io, Bybit, Byget, everything on this channel today. Subscribe, comment, and join our Telegram channel.